Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are doing good. In this video you will learn how to create Microsoft Bing account. First of all, go to the Google and type Bing image creator. Go to the first option on the Google here www.bingcreator.com. so a window will appear. You have to put a Gmail account here. I have one, so I will put it here. Now you have to put the first and last name and press the next button. Now you have to fill your information like country and your birth date. You need to put just correct informations to avoid to face any issue, and press the next button after putting the information. Now go to the next option. A verification code is sent to your Gmail account. Go and check your account and put it here. After putting the verification code, your account will be created and a window of like this will appear. So I will just type 3D girl wearing hijab, and a beautiful image is created by this. So this is how you can also create images like this. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.